Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy blackened honey mustard salmon. Let's get into the recipe. Okay guys, let's start by seasoning our salmon. The salmon has already been washed and pat dry. Here I'll be using some Old Bay, seasoned salt, garlic and onion powder, and black pepper. Super simple. We're going to go ahead and just mix all the seasonings well to combine so they can be evenly distributed onto the salmon. Once we are done, we'll go ahead and coat the salmon with a little oil so that the seasonings can adhere. Then we're going to coat the salmon on both sides with those seasonings. Once we're done, allow it to sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then I'll show you guys what we'll do next. Next, I'll go ahead and coat my skillet with a little oil, and then we'll place the salmon in there. You want to cook the salmon for about 3 minutes per side. Now, I don't know what's going on with me recently, but in this particular video, I forgot to hit record twice on 2 clips. And it was just me adding the salmon to the skillet, so bear with me guys. Here I will flip the salmon and allow it to cook evenly on the other side. And you want to just allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Once it's done, remove it and carry on with the other piece of salmon. If you can fit all your salmon in the skillet at once, go right ahead. Next, I will add some butter to my skillet to prepare the glaze, and I will add a little bit of grated garlic. Allow that to go for about a minute or so, and then we'll come in with some honey, and I will add a little bit of spicy brown mustard and some yellow mustard. You want to mix this well to combine. Once it's nicely combined, you want to introduce your salmon back into the skillet. Like I said, I forgot to hit record when I was adding the salmon in, and you didn't get to see that part, but it's super simple. Just add your salmon in, coat them well with the glaze, and that's basically it. The recipe is so simple guys, anyone can make this, and it's very delicious, quick and easy. And now let me play this up and show you guys the finished product. And here you have it, my version of blackened honey mustard salmon. When I tell you this was delicious, it's an understatement. I did pair it with some mashed potatoes and asparagus. And like I said, it was divine. Give the recipe a try and let me know what you guys think. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.